Let's be real, you already know how time consuming making YouTube videos is. We're basically doing 5 or 6 jobs all on our own. And for most of us, we're juggling this alongside a full-time job or full-time education. And it's exhausting on even the best days. But here's the thing, you can find more time to make YouTube content. It's just you're gonna have to change how you organize your life and how you approach YouTube. So in this video, I'll share with you some productivity tips that can help you make more videos with less time and actually get you some results even with a busy schedule. And at the end, I'll share a quick change that will incredibly help you and make YouTube success more realistic. Sometimes after a long day at work, one of the last things I want to be doing is sitting editing a video for 3 hours. And I often found that the hardest part about working on content after work was starting. Even though I enjoy making videos, there would be weekdays where I'd completely put it off. Here's a solution. Instead of forcing yourself to work on a video, jump into your favorite part. If you enjoy designing thumbnails, jump straight into doing that for some of your future uploads. If you prefer learning about YouTube and other people's stories, whack on a video like this to get you in the mood. This gets you in the zone and in the flow of working without forcing it. This will make working on your videos much easier. If you're serious about your YouTube dreams but have a full-time job, your weekends are one of your biggest assets, and you need to make the most of them if you're going to make consistent content and get in front of people. Instead of just focusing on making one video over the weekend, try this instead. Batch create a few thumbnails for upcoming videos. Write scripts for all of those videos. Then film multiple videos in one session. Think of it a bit like meal prepping, but for content. Even spending 1 or 2 days creating could set you up for weeks worth of content going out on your channel. And this removes the stress of having to make a new video every week. Because let's be honest, you will have days and weeks where you'll be shattered and you can't be bothered to work on anything. And if content is going up while you're having these weeks, you're smashing it. A huge time killer in content creation that is often insignificant is perfectionism. I and many of you spend way too long making sure our video is perfect and up to our standards. The truth is, on YouTube, content doesn't need to be perfect. And especially when you have little time and energy from work and other commitments, focusing on perfecting every little thing is just going to hold up your whole production line. So maybe try and lower your standards a little bit, and maybe try and make a video in just an hour. Make bullet point scripts, just improvise, edit it roughly, cut out all the dead air, and make it into a decent video. Then make a simple but effective thumbnail. You'll realize after making a few of these time efficient videos how much unnecessary time you've been wasting. And the likely reality is that your audience won't even realize the things that you stress over. If you are truly struggling with time and still want to get loads of quality content out, you don't have to keep being a one-man band and doing everything yourself. Some of the massive creators that you really look up to and think, how are they getting that much content out? They have editors, designers, and even writers. And whilst you don't need to spend loads of money hiring all these people, even just outsourcing one thing every once in a while, like editing and thumbnails, can save you hours. And this is exactly why I offer video editing services and thumbnail design services for creators like you. So if you want to get loads of high quality content out and stop wasting time, just give us a shout and fill out our form on our website. The truth is, making more time for YouTube isn't about having more free time. It's about making it a priority. Most of the big YouTubers that you watch today were in this similar scenario. The only difference, they found a way to keep going and keep getting content out because it was important to them. But the reality is, with YouTube growth in 2025, is that it can feel really, really unfair. Watch this video right here to hear more and how you can push past that.